how to use ChatGPT to write a book. So now let's say you have got a certain story in mind and you want to write a book based on the story. What do? So you have got ChatGPT and then you want to write a book, right? Now you can ask ChatGPT to come up with its own ideas, but chances are whatever idea ChatGPT is going to come up with might already be available out there, because ChatGPT just gathers all the data from the internet, right? Now to come up with an own creative idea, I would recommend that you make it first your own unique story. Once you make it your own unique story, you can just ask ChatGPT the way on how you are going to interpret that particular story. So the chapters, you're going to divide into them, you're going to give it the characters and stuff. So you can just ask him, I want to write a book or whatever else it is. What do you need, right? So just ask ChatGPT what it needs from you and what it expects from you. So after it's basically done analyzing that, then it will be able to give you relevant answers based on what you've typed in. So make sure to give the book idea or the theme, the genre, the audience, the outline or structure, the writing style, whether you want in the first person style, which is a first person perspective, second person perspective, or overall perspective like a third person, and then the main characters, if it's fiction, non-fiction, and just give it the details, and you should be able to craft a very lengthy and a very good book. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you in the next video.